Hey, travel enthusiasts, ready to explore the stunning landscapes and vibrant cities of Canada? Buckle up, because today, I'm going to take you on a journey through the top 12 destinations you absolutely must visit. First up, we have Banff National Park. Located in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is a paradise for nature lovers. Imagine waking up to breathtaking mountain views, crystal clear lakes, and endless hiking trails. Whether you're into skiing, wildlife spotting, or simply soaking in hot springs, Banff has it all. Next, let's head to Vancouver. Nestled between the Pacific Ocean and the Coast Mountains, Vancouver is a vibrant city with a laid-back vibe. Explore the bustling markets of Granville Island, take a stroll through Stanley Park, or enjoy the diverse culinary scene. The blend of natural beauty and urban excitement makes Vancouver a must-visit. Now let's make our way to the stunning Niagara Falls. One of the most famous waterfalls in the world, Niagara Falls is a sight to behold. Feel the mist on your face as you get up close with a boat tour, or enjoy the panoramic views from the observation decks. Don't forget to explore the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake while you're there. Let's not forget about Quebec City. With its cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and rich French heritage, Quebec City is like stepping into a European fairy tale. Wander through Old Quebec, visit the iconic Chateau Frontenac, and indulge in some delicious poutine. The city's old-world charm will leave you enchanted. Next, we have Prince Edward Island. Famous for its red sand beaches, rolling countryside, and delicious seafood, PEI is the perfect destination for a relaxing getaway. Explore the island's charming lighthouses, cycle along the Confederation Trail, and immerse yourself in the world of Anne of Green Gables. There's something magical about this island. Let's move on to the stunning Jasper National Park. Known for its dramatic landscapes and abundant wildlife, Jasper is an adventure lover's dream. Hike through the picturesque Maligne Canyon, take a boat tour on Maligne Lake, and keep an eye out for elk, bears, and moose. The natural beauty here is simply awe-inspiring. Next, we're off to the cosmopolitan city of Toronto. Canada's largest city offers a dynamic mix of cultures, attractions, and entertainment. Marvel at the views from the CN Tower, explore the vibrant neighborhoods, and catch a game at the Rogers Centre. Toronto's energy and diversity make it a must-see. Don't miss out on the breathtaking beauty of the Bay of Fundy. Known for having the highest tides in the world, this natural wonder is a sight to behold. Explore the dramatic cliffs, walk on the ocean floor at low tide, and witness the tidal bore. The Bay of Fundy is a true marvel of nature. Next, we have the picturesque town of Whistler. Famous for its world-class ski resort, Whistler is a year-round destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Hit the slopes in winter, go mountain biking in summer, and relax in the charming village. The stunning alpine scenery will take your breath away. Let's head to the vibrant city of Montreal. Known for its lively festivals, diverse music scene, and delicious cuisine, Montreal is a cultural hub. Wander through the historic Old Montreal, enjoy the jazz vibes, and savor a Montreal-style bagel. The city's unique blend of European and North American influences is captivating. Next, we'll visit the charming town of Victoria. Located on Vancouver Island, Victoria is known for its beautiful gardens, historic buildings, and British charm. Explore the lush Butchart Gardens, stroll along the inner harbor, and enjoy afternoon tea. The relaxed coastal vibe of Victoria is truly enchanting. Finally, we have the rugged beauty of Gros Morne National Park. Located in Newfoundland and Labrador, Gros Morne offers a landscape of fjords, mountains, and coastal beauty. Hike the tablelands, take a boat tour through Western Brook Pond, and experience the unique geology. Gros Morne is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So there you have it, the top 12 destinations in Canada that you absolutely must visit. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, Canada has something for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.